Hi everyone, let's discuss about HTML tables. So HTML tables are used to display data in a structured tabular format using rows and columns. And we have some tags for the table structure. One is table tag, it defines the table. One is tr tag, that defines the table row. One is td, that defines table data, that is defines a cell in a table row. One is table header, that is th, it defines a header cell in a table row. Okay, so let's move to the code. Let's remove this code. Okay, now we will see example of a table. So firstly, what we need to do in the body section, let's uh, let's make a main contents, that is h1. We will write uh, we can write table example, basic table example. Okay, that will be the heading for the table. Okay, now we will start the table. We have a table tag for that. So in the first row, that is the header row, we will create it tr. Now we will create table header cells th. One is name, other one is let's say age, other one is city. Okay, so similarly we can create second row data. This is the first row, that is also a table row, header row. Now this is the second row, that will be the data row. Let's say name is Kashish, age is let's say 32, city is let's say Bangalore. Okay, so this is this will be the header for the name column. This will be header for the age column. This will be header for the city column. Now here in the second row, that will represents the table data cells. This is the name of first person. This is the age of first person, city of first person. Similarly, we can create third row, that will contain the name of second person, age and city of second person. Let's say name is Vishal, age is 36, city is Delhi. Okay, so we have created the table. Now what we need to do, let's go to the browser and check. Open with live server. So this page will open in the browser. So a table will be created in the web page. Okay, so this is the table, but see we do not have a border, so let's create the border also. So here in the table, side border is goes to 1. Okay, if we run it, so it should add a border around the table for the visibility. Okay, so table border is also created. Okay, so let's now see what are the how to use column span and row span. Okay, so let's see an example of column span. So firstly comment this code, we will see another code. Or we can do what we can do, we can edit this also. So here in the first th, let's say column span is equals to 2. Or let's prepare another table for better clarity. Comment this code. So let's create the first header table with col span and row span. Okay, table with col span and row span. Okay, now let's create a table. Let's make border is equals to 1 to create a border outside that borders of the table. Okay, this is how we create the border. So what it will do, border is equals to 1, it will add the border around the table. Now let's create a tr tag. Okay, so this will be the first row. Okay, here th we will write personal info. Okay, so here if we write in the th col span is equals to 2, what it will do, it will combine two columns to make a single header cell for the personal info. Okay, what it will do, it will combine the two columns. Col span is equals to 2, it will combine two columns to make a single header cell for personal info. Okay, let's save it and let's go to browser. Okay, so we have created this. Now let's create second row. This is the first row. Now let's create second row. Add name. One is name. Okay, this will be a label for the name, and let's write value of the name. Let's say Shish. Okay, now let's see in the browser. Okay, this is how it looks. Name Kashish. Now let's create a third row. We have third row. Here we have TD. Let's say we have contact and we have email. Let's say k@k.com. Okay, so if we want, let's say, let's look how it is looking. So it is looking like this. Okay, and what we want to do, we will write row span is equals to 2. So what it will do, it will combine two rows into one cell for contact in the first column. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, so in this tr, now we can do fourth row continuation for the contact details. Okay, that will show the impact for the row span is equals to 2. Let's say we have TD phone. Okay, this is the phone number. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so this row span is equals to 2. What it has done, it has combined two rows into one cell. Okay, this contact, this is the contact. It has combined two rows into one cell for the contact, the first column. Okay, this is how row span works. So col span is equals to 2. It is used in the th element. It is used in the th element of the first row to merge two columns into one. Merge two columns into one column, creating a single header for the personal info. Now row span 2. This row span is equals to 2. It is used in the TD element of the third row to merge two rows into the single row. Two rows into single row. So it creates a single cell for the contact that spans vertically across the next two rows. Okay, so this is the example of table. So we have understand the table basics, table structure tags. Okay, and we have also studied row span, col span. Okay.